Chapter 32 Places of India. It is time for us to explore more about our wonderful country, its vastness, variety of cultures, and its grand landmarks, all of which speak of the greatness of our civilization. 1. Look at the pictures, read about them, and try to recognize these architectural masterpieces that recite the glorious history of Indian civilization. 1. We begin our journey from this revered temple in Saurashtra region of Gujarat. This temple was ravaged of its gold and jewels by Mahmud of Ghazni in the 11th century CE. Answer: Somnath Temple. 2. Traveling north, our next stop is the adorable medieval fort which stands even today as a symbol of Rajput bravery and might. Answer: Chittorgarh Temple. 3. Moving further north, we marvel at the might of the great Mughal Emperor Akbar's dream capital, a poetry in red sandstone. Answer: Fatehpur Sikri. 4. Now to India's Sultanate capital Delhi, where one of the largest mosques in the country stands. This stately structure was built by Emperor Shah Jahan in early 17th century. Answer: Jama Masjid. 5. When we go south into the heart of India, we stand and amazed by the living sculptures adorning 11th century stone carved temples. These were built by Chandela kings of central India. Answer: Khajuraho temples. 6. Traveling eastward, our new destination is a site which holds the ruins of India's oldest university. 4th century CE, students from as far as Japan and Southeast Asia came here for higher studies. Answer: Nalanda. 7. Further on our eastern coast, some 35 km from Puri, Odisha, stands country's biggest temple to sun god. It was built in the 13th century by King Narsimhadev I of the Eastern Ganga dynasty about 1250 CE. Answer: Konark Temple. 8. When south near Chennai, we come across this 8th century temple built by the Pallava king Narasimhavarman II in 700 to 728 CE down. It is popular for its exquisite stone carvings and true Dravidian architecture. Answer: Shore Temple. 2. How much are you aware of India's historical and cultural landmarks? Answer these questions and find out. 1. Name who built the amazingly accurate astronomical observatory in the late 18th century at Jaipur? Savai Jai Singh. 2. Which Mughal emperor who laid out beautiful riverside gardens in Agra? Babur. 3. Give any two famous ancient temples of South India. The Sri Ramagan Temple. 2. Venkateshwar Temple. 4. Name the famous monument which was built by Nawab Astafuddaulah of Oudh at Lucknow. Bara Imam Bara. Info bits. Kumbhalgarh Fort is the second most important fort in Mewar after Chittorgarh Fort. Its walls extend over 36 km. It was built by Rana Kumbha in the 15th century CE. Teachers note: deliberate about numerous monuments of India built by great people in the history.